Guys, if you like this type of videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and enjoy. La Jolla, San Diego, California. La Jolla is a hilly, seaside neighborhood within the city of San Diego, occupying 7 miles, 11 kilometers of curving coastline along the Pacific Ocean. The population reported in the 2010 census was 46,781. The climate is mild, with an average daily temperature of 70.5 degrees Fahrenheit, 21.4 degrees Celsius. La Jolla is surrounded on 3 sides by ocean bluffs and beaches and is located 12 miles, 19 kilometers, north of downtown San Diego and 45 miles, 72 kilometers, south of the Orange County line. The neighborhood's border starts at Pacific Beach to the south and extends along the Pacific Ocean shoreline north to include Torrey Pines State Natural Reserve ending at Del Mar, California. La Jolla is home to many educational institutions and a variety of businesses in the areas of lodging, dining, shopping, software, finance, real estate, bioengineering, medical practice, and scientific research. The University of California, San Diego, UCSD, is located in La Jolla, as are the Salk Institute, Scripps Institution of Oceanography, and Scripps Research. History. During the Mexican period of San Diego's history, La Jolla was mapped as Pueblo land and contained about 60 lots. When California became a state in 1850, the La Jolla area was incorporated as part of the chartered city of San Diego. In 1870, Charles Dean acquired several of the Pueblo lots and subdivided them into an area that became known as La Jolla Park. Dean was unable to develop the land and left San Diego in 1881. A real estate boom in the 1880s led speculators Frank T. Botsford and George W. Heald to further develop the sparsely settled area. In the 1890s, the San Diego, Pacific Beach, and La Jolla Railway was built, connecting La Jolla to the rest of San Diego. La Jolla became known as a resort area. To attract visitors to the beach, the railway built facilities such as a bathhouse and a dance pavilion. Visitors were housed in small cottages and bungalows above La Jolla Cove, as well as a temporary tent city erected every summer. 2 of the cottages that were built in 1894, the Red Roost and the Red Rest, also known as the Neptune and Cove Tea Room, still exist and are the oldest buildings in La Jolla that are still on their original site. The 2 cottages have been vacant since the 1980s, boarded up and covered in tarpaulins while their fate was debated. In November 2020, the Red Rest was largely destroyed by fire. The La Jolla Park Hotel opened in 1893. The Hotel Cabrillo was built in 1908 by Squire James A. Wilson and was later incorporated into the La Valencia Hotel. By 1900, La Jolla comprised 100 buildings and 350 residents. The first reading room, library, was built in 1898. A volunteer fire brigade was organized in 1907. The city of San Diego established a regular firehouse in 1914. Livery stable owner Nathan Rannell served successively as La Jolla's volunteer fire captain, first police officer, the only San Diego police officer north of Mission Valley, and first postmaster. La Jolla Elementary School began educating local children in 1896. The Bishop School opened in 1909. La Jolla High School was established in 1922. Between 1951 and 1963, other elementary schools, Bird Rock, Decatur, Scripps, and Torrey Pines, were established in the area to ease overcrowding. The La Jolla Beach and Yacht Club, later the La Jolla Beach and Tennis Club, was built in 1927. Geography. The neighborhood's border starts at Pacific Beach to the south and extends along the Pacific Ocean shoreline north to include Torrey Pines State Natural Reserve ending at Del Mar, California. La Jolla encompasses the neighborhoods of Bird Rock, Windansea Beach, the commercial center known as the Village of La Jolla, Muirlands, La Jolla Shores, La Jolla Farms, Torrey Pines, and Mount Soledad to name a few. The city of San Diego defines the neighborhood's eastern boundary as Gilman Drive and the Interstate 5 freeway, and the northern boundary as UCSD. The United States Postal Service defines a somewhat larger area, assigning the neighborhood the 92037 zip code, recognizing it as a historically and geographically distinct area. This unique zip code allows addresses to read La Jolla, CA, and is the only neighborhood within the city of San Diego so recognized. Additionally, it is in the 919XX/920XX sequence used for suburban and rural zip codes in San Diego County, rather than the 921XX sequence used for the remainder of the city of San Diego. These conditions sometimes lead to the erroneous impression that La Jolla is a separate city, rather than a part of San Diego. The 92037 zip code extends the northeasterly boundary to Genesee Avenue and the northerly boundary to Del Mar, California. The UCSD campus, also part of La Jolla, has zip codes 92092 and 92093. Despite the city and postal service definitions, La Jolla does not have universally accepted boundaries. In the 1980s, the trustees of Scripps Hospital voted to move the campus from downtown La Jolla to University City, east of Interstate 5, and not within the traditional boundaries of La Jolla. The governing documents of the hospital required it to be located in La Jolla, however. A court ruled that La Jolla exists merely as a state of mind, and thus allowed the relocation of the hospital. Several businesses and housing developments east of Interstate 5 use La Jolla in their names despite being geographically located in the University City neighborhood of San Diego, which includes areas east of Interstate 5. I would like to thank you for watching my videos. Continue with the beautiful images of this place. Subscribe to my channel. Click like to let me know you liked the video. Comment where else you would like me to make more videos, and share with the people you would like to bring here.